Installing a wireless switching system can be difficult, so here are 5 easy ways to optimize your install. This is the #1 mistake installers make when installing a wireless system. Position your radio as high as possible. In RF terms, fixing your unit near the ground is like fitting a ceiling fan on the floor. So remember, low positioning equals low standards. Water getting into your electronics is a major pain point for most electricians. Now, water is great for plants or having a nice relaxing bath, but it's not good for wireless switching systems. So making sure your equipment has a suitable ingress protection rating is paramount if you want to keep your devices working all year round. So here we have the Riot system, which is an IP68 enclosure, meaning it's protected from dust and water all year round. Regardless of the environment, you know your product is going to be protected in all different types of scenarios. So make sure your enclosures have the highest IP rating so that your devices work all year round. Don't fall into this trap when using a remote control system. I'm trying to use a remote control through a metal wall, and for some reason, the signal can't get through. You wouldn't expect to get great signal through metal or on the underground. So before installing your RF system, think about what might obstruct your radio signal. This is an easy way to get better wireless range. If you're operating something just over there in open sight, then obstructions aren't really a concern. But if you're trying to operate through dense materials, so concrete, metal, then using a system with LoRa, or long range, will work much better. Finally, if using a handheld remote, is the end user likely to lose it or treat it with absolute contempt? So suggesting the right remote or a spare could save you time and money. So those are our 5 top tips for optimizing your install. And if you're looking for advice on an install of your own, get in touch with us today and a member of our team will be happy to help.